the easiest, most secure and reliable crochet magic ring method. Want to learn it, crochet friend? So you won't have those problems of making magic rings and trusting that they won't unravel? Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. I'm Pauline from Makingpolly and I'm delighted you could join me. This crochet technique tutorial includes step-by-step instructions to make and close a double magic ring for all your crochet projects worked in the round. Once you have learned this easy method, you can be confident all your crochet projects, even the amigurumi ones, will not loosen or unravel and be left with unwanted holes. What you will need for this project is your choice of yarn for your next crochet project in the round, and also your choice of crochet hook. You will also need scissors for cutting your yarn and an embroidery needle for sewing in your ends. So let's make a double magic ring. With the beginning of your yarn, wrap around your index finger 3 times and hold in place with your middle finger. Then slide your crochet hook under the third and then the second loops made on your finger and pull up a loop with the first loop made on your finger. Then work 1 chain to lock in place. And your double magic ring is now made. Now we will look at how to close a double magic ring. Work your first round into the double magic ring. I have worked 6 UK double crochets, which are 6 US single crochets. It's not necessary to remove your hook, but you may want to for ease of closing and to use your hook to help close. Pull the starting tail slightly to see which of the 2 loops of the double ring are pulled. You can see that it's getting pulled through the stitches of the first round. Rather than continuing to pull that loop through, we need to pull the other end of that loop to pull the other loop of the magic ring through. You can use your hook to help. Once you have pulled that loop through, you'll have 1 large loop left. So pull the starting end again to close the double magic ring. Then work your second round before completely closing the magic ring. And to do this, pull your starting end again. The best thing to do then is to thoroughly weave in your starting end to completely secure your double magic ring. I hope this mini crochet technique tutorial has been helpful to you. Please comment below if you already use this technique or will try it out in your next project. As someone who has used this method since I first learned the magic ring, I can guarantee I have complete trust in it for all my crochet projects in the round. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and informative tutorials.